Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we on vibrate on silent mode. Guys, you want to on guys vibrate on silent mode setting in your Oppo phone. So friends, you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on vibrate on silent mode setting in our Oppo phone. In this video, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Friends, we will on our phone setting. Then guys, scroll it. Sound and vibration setting, friends, click here. So once you can see guys your sound and vibration and vibrate mode settings. So once you can see guys your vibrate on silent mode guys you want to on, so you can on from this right side. So your vibrate on silent mode will on in your Oppo phone guys. Sorry fans, I paused the video guys, now continue. So once you can see vibrate or resetting will on in our Oppo phone, then guys you can use guys your vibrate on silent mode settings. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn on vibrate on silent mode settings. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.